Guys, this is the second part of my video, and in this video I'll be teaching you some of the floor exercises which you can do at your place. Why these four floor exercises are important? Because gyms are closed nowadays and most of you are worried whether मैं shape में रहूँगा कि नहीं, मैं मोटा ना हो जाऊँ. And the two places from where people can become lots of shape or people can become fat are your stomach and your hip. So I'll be teaching you some of the exercises which you can do on your floor, which can help you to be fit in terms of your stomach and hip, and it will be also good for your immune system. So firstly, I'll be teaching you a core exercise which is very good for your stomach. You have to lie down like this first, and then keep your legs up, keep your hands on your head, and then just try to cycle. When you feel that this type of cycling is very easy, you can just nod your head while cycling. The next exercise is for your hip transmission. So you have to lie down on one side and then keep your legs straight and then lift it up. Your leg should not go too much of this side and not too much on that side. It should be straight in the line of your body. You will feel the impact somewhere over here. Like this you can do on the other side also. The next exercise is again for your legs. These are called static lunges. Usually people complain that lunges करने के लिए जगह नहीं है, ऐसे ऐसे पैर जाने के लिए जगह नहीं है. So they have invented static lunges for that. Just lift your one leg up, put it forward. Don't stride it too much forward. It should be a balancing neutral position. कि तुमको comfortable होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा आगे भी नहीं, ज़्यादा पीछे भी नहीं. Stand like this. Go down, again come back. Go down, come back. Go down, come back. Go down, come back. Again, your knee should not cross your toes. Go down, come back. Same way, the next leg. Go down, come back. This exercise looks quite simple, but is quite effective for your legs. The next exercise is again for your hip, which is also known as clamshell. This exercise is very simple to do, but again is very effective for your hip. It reverses your hip movement. It tests your hip movement, that how flexible is your hip and how wide is your hip. So you have to lie on one side again and then try to open up your hip. Try to open up your hip. It's very important that you should not move your body while moving your hip. You should not do like this. You should not move your body. Your body has to be in one line and only your hip moves in this position. You will feel some pressure over here and your inner joints. Again, the next side. Next one is the basic push-ups, which everyone does at their place usually. But the basic push-up is not so easy to do. Many people find it very difficult to do such type of a push-up. So, for the people whom such push-up is very difficult to do at, they can put their knees on the floor and then put your legs like this. Put your legs in this position. Your knee on the floor, leg crossed, and then try to do push-ups. Push-ups in this position is very easy to do as compared to the traditional push-ups. Again, just see the position. So this type of a push-up is very effective for your shoulder and also for your stomach. The next exercise, again very simple one, is for your calves. Calves are very important parts of our body because usually the weights while walking falls on our calf and our knees. So for calves, one of the best home exercises is calf raises. For those who are new in this, have to lift both the legs up, down. Lift both the legs up, down. Both the legs up, down. And for those whose this exercise is very easy to do, can lift one leg up and do it. This is known as single leg calf raises. Take the other leg. Next exercise is a squat. Now you will think that यार ये squats क्या बता रहा है? Squats तो बड़ी common चीज़ है. But there are different types of squats which everyone may not be comfortable. Many types of squats are there. First is a deep squat. People go fully down. Like this, people go fully down. But this type of squat is very harmful for your knees if you are not used to it. So first, you should know the basic squats. The shoulder width should be equal to your leg distance. मेरा बोलने का मतलब है कि जो लेग में डिस्टेंस है वो शोल्डर विड्थ जितना होना चाहिए हमारे. और फिर थोड़ा सा पैर को ओपन कीजिए. यू हैव टू ओपन योर लेग्स अप एंड देन यू हैव टू गो डाउन स्ट्रेट. योर बैक शुड बी स्ट्रेट. योर हिप शुड गो बिहाइंड. अगेन योर नी शुड नॉट क्रॉस योर टो. स्ट्रेट. Those who find this type of squat also difficult, they can do an alternate type of squat, which is also known as sumo squat. You have to open up your legs more wider, like this, and then while going down, you have to go down in this position. Assume you are catching a ball or you are fielding a ball. This position. Your back should be straight while going down, and again you have to go back from your hip. The next exercise is the simple basic core, or which we say as plank. So in that, you have to lie down like this first, which is known as the core position, and then lift your body up. In this, you have to take some precautions. You have to first engage your core, which is known as the stomach. You have to make it tight. You have to raise your hip up, and your knees should be exactly straight. So you have to hold minimum 30 seconds and maximum up to 1 to 1.5 minutes as per your limit. Very important to maintain this position. Next, after this, you have to do side core for your sides. ये जो फैट दिख रहा है यहाँ पे बहुत लोग का फैट होता है. For this and for making it stronger, we have the side core. In this, you have to be in the side long position, and then your body should be parallel to your hand, like this. If you feel that this posture is not comfortable, you can keep your hands on your waist. But as it is said that there is force in air, so you can keep your hand like this and hold the force in the air. Again, you can hold it from 30 seconds to 1 minute as per your limit.